Good morning, 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 good morning. Okay, so what did I do with the 75? Good old Collins 75A2 receiver. It was working before fine after I restarted, but I felt the transformer was a little too warm over time, so what I did do is simply replace all the old paper capacitors with new ones. And that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another new one up there. And all these black ones are new too, so now it runs very cool and I like that. So, long story short, make sure you replace the old paper capacitors as they look really bad. And test them too. I used a simple voltometer. And there's more I replaced. It just doesn't take that long. Maybe an hour, you just put in new. Right values, of course, and if you haven't got the right value capacitor, you can double up like I did here. These are 150 volt DC at 10 MFD each. So I gang them all together to get 50 MFD. You can do that. Or series parallel, like batteries for Pete's sake, so it works fine. Then, which I don't recommend for you, but to stabilize everything in here, I poured wood glue in there. Titebond! Let it dry for 24 hours and it holds everything stable. And also eliminates any possible shorts and things and reconditions the fiber boards, connectors. This is after I sprayed it with WD-40 everything. So it's all brand new now and waiting for the next receiver to come in, next patient that is. An RDZ1, 150 pounds UHF receiver. Rare, yes. And that comes in a week, I think, from now. But okay, so a patient at a day. Patient a day keeps a psychiatrist away. They get quite used to fixing these things. The old stuff, as well as I don't bother with the new stuff. But also with machine tools and firearms and other crazy things I collect. Getting to be a good doctor. I had a dream about a doctor, but weird dreams I got anyway. So this fellow is happily going back in his case over there. Awesome possum.